Hello, guys. This is Altcoin Apex with you. I hope I managed to help you save some money from this little Bitcoin dominance pump and altcoins dump. Actually, it's not really a dump, it's a correction, which is very healthy. We can take a look at algorand. We can take a look at any coin that you wanted to buy. Now we're just, as I said in my last video, we're oscillating. Anyway, I will put my previous video on the right side of your upper corner so you can watch it after this video. So here I was talking about how we might have a correction when this candle was starting. I offloaded some of my position, more like 80 to 90% of my position, and just now I entered again because I know we are at the support. So if this oscillation is happening, we might be retesting this zone again after some time because fundamentally nothing has changed. Avalanche, that's one of the coins that if you wanted to buy, you could enter into a nice position very, very soon. I think this is one of the last corrections that is to come this cycle. So, near protocol, we will have Uniswap. Very good buying opportunities are presenting themselves on a smaller time frames. But today, I want to dedicate this video to Kaspa's chart because Kaspa has been holding up much better than most of the other altcoins simply because it's proof of work. It has a better launch, and you can see this area. We were talking about Kaspa a long time ago, and if you watch those videos, I was talking about this breakout point, and we made good money. And this projection that I put, it's playing out exactly how we projected. This lines, you see these blue lines, I drew that, to be honest, more than 3 4 weeks ago even. And this is not something that, you know, I can't just say we will be always right, but most of the time when you project according to your analysis, it will play out. So Caspa, thankfully, it's holding up really well, and I want to show you what I drew on the weekly and daily chart. That this line, this blue line, let's go to daily because it's clear. On the daily chart, most of my older viewers know that I used to talk about this line, this blue line right here. This was my trend line. And as soon as we broke out of it and hold it as support, I was screaming at the top of my lungs that this was the sign that we must enter. We must enter and hold our position all the way until we break below 21 SMA on the daily. Below means like we close a daily or even a couple of day candle on the 21 weekly daily SMA. So far we're holding above it. Even this support zone, I mean the resistance previously now turned into a support. This box, rectangle box, is holding us afloat. When we start losing that, I will be making a video, guys, to you telling you that we might be having a pullback. Because from what I see, we're not heavily overbought, but we're getting there. Here, you see the RSI line. Price is making higher high, but momentum is making just equal highs or slightly lower. In my opinion, on the daily, it's not going to take a few hours or days to play out, but it will eventually play out that we might head slightly lower on the daily time frame. So could go something like this, right? And that would be a good opportunity probably at this SMA line. Let me show you where I'm talking about. This 21 SMA on the daily right now sitting at 10.2 cents. I'm sure it will rise all the way till this rectangle box. So 10.8, even flat 11 cent should be a good buying opportunity if you're waiting for a good buy. So yeah, right now momentum is shifted upwards. It is safe to say playing cautiously is over, and I am still playing cautiously into altcoins. However, when it comes to utility coins, like really good coins that you have belief in, they could retest their previous support zones eventually. Because I'm watching right now this area. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This area is my next line of resistance, which is at 14 cents. It's not going to be very easy. But eventually, if price is holding as it is now, we're holding this area as support. I want to see a lot of consolidation, a lot of oscillation in this area, and then jump higher. So that should be my conclusion. Eventually, to reach 14 cents, but for now, we need to retest at least the 21 SMA, which is at 11 cents flat, or 10.8, 10.9 cents at best. So good luck out there, guys. I hope you watch these kind of videos, and subscribe, like, and share with your friends. I'll see you on the next one.